A fifth wheel is a crucial mechanical device used in the towing industry, particularly for heavy-duty hauling and recreational vehicles. It serves as the connection point between a towing vehicle and a trailer or camper, facilitating safe and efficient transport. The fifth wheel consists of two primary components: the hitch and the coupling mechanism. The hitch is securely installed in the bed of a towing truck, typically a pickup truck. It features a horizontal plate with a raised central pivot. The coupling mechanism, often referred to as the kingpin, is attached to the front of the trailer or camper. It includes a vertical pin that fits into the hitch's central pivot, creating a secure linkage between the two vehicles. One of the essential functions of the fifth wheel is to provide a pivot point that allows the trailer or camper to move independently from the towing vehicle. This pivotal connection is particularly valuable when navigating tight turns or parking in confined spaces. It enhances maneuverability and reduces the risk of jackknifing, which can occur when the trailer and towing vehicle become misaligned during turns. Another advantage of the fifth wheel is its ability to distribute weight evenly between the trailer and the towing vehicle. This even weight distribution enhances stability and minimizes the likelihood of swaying or fishtailing while driving, ensuring a safer towing experience. Furthermore, the design of the fifth wheel simplifies the process of coupling and uncoupling the trailer. Unlike traditional ball hitches that demand precise alignment, the fifth wheel's vertical pin on the kingpin easily slides into the hitch's central pivot. A locking mechanism secures the connection, making the attachment process more straightforward and less time-consuming. In addition to its industrial applications, the fifth wheel is widely used in the world of recreational vehicles, RVs. Fifth-wheel trailers, designed for towing with this type of hitch, offer spacious and comfortable living spaces for travelers. These RVs often include amenities like kitchens, bathrooms, and sleeping quarters, making them a preferred choice for extended road trips and camping adventures. The fifth-wheel design offers several advantages over other hitch types. Its robust construction and secure connection make it suitable for towing heavy loads, such as construction equipment, livestock trailers, and oversized cargo. The stability it provides is especially valuable when transporting valuable or delicate items. In conclusion, the fifth wheel is a critical component in both the transportation and recreational vehicle industries. Its pivotal design enhances maneuverability, weight distribution, and stability during towing operations. Whether used for commercial purposes or for leisurely travels, the fifth wheel plays a pivotal role in ensuring the safety and efficiency of towing heavy loads in spacious RVs.